And, to me, that also speaks to how strong of a stronghold, pornography addiction is, that it does take that amount of time. And you've seen that the recovery can happen. When is someone, because I kind of have an idea. When people come to me and they say, I'm at the end of my rope and I'm ready to go all in, then I know that they're ready. So what really signals that somebody is really ready to break the chain of addiction and really work on themselves?
Yeah. So speaking specifically to pornography, first thing is like the word addiction. It's such a challenging word. It's porn is actually not even accepted like clinically, like in your DSM-5.
Oh.
So there's a lot of pushback kind of clinically. I would say if a guy is consuming porn once, then he needs to look at removing it from his life. I don't think that he actually needs to have a quote unquote addiction to be able to break the chains. And then where I don't like to see guys get is kind of where I was kind of at a rock bottom moment in my life. Relationship was on the rocks. I mean, we were basically not even roommates. We were people that lived together and didn't even like each other. And business wasn't moving well. And why am I depressed and anxious all the time? So I don't think you should wait to get to that rock bottom moment. I think, and this is where I try to create my content built around, like, if you're trying to live a successful life, if you're trying to live a high performance life, if you're trying to live a life of peak performance or stepping into your greatest version. I know that's a word that's kind of thrown around a lot in the self-development world. I use, if you're trying to become the man that you were created to be. Like, if that is your vision in life of I'm pursuing greatness, there's no place in pornography from it, because even just looking at it once begins to change the chemistry of your brain.